Well, there it is. My Uber. My Uber for my Uber. Well, that didn't last long. Didn't last long at all. Car's broken. Now, I don't want to seem like this is clickbait-ish or whatever, so it's nothing catastrophic. It's actually the best case scenario if your car is going to break, in my opinion. But let me just show you guys what happened. All right, so we're in the front of the car, and the power steering pulley, it's wiggling. I think the pump just went bad. I'm not sure why it's wiggling. I'm not sure if it... At first, I thought initially, did I like not tighten this down or what happened? You know, that's what I was thinking. But then I remembered I actually never took this apart. This was the power steering pump that came with the 1J that was initially installed in this car. So I think it's either one of two things. Either the pump was on its way out and it went bad, or I did a terrible job of bleeding it. And if I did a terrible job of bleeding it, that's on me. Hold myself accountable. Either way, it's gonna get replaced because I need to get this car back on the road, man. I just got it running. We got to get this running again. So yeah, and again, I'm happy out of all the things that could have went wrong, that was it. You know. But anyways, how it all went down, I was out with the homies. We were taking a nice little stroll. The car was, you know, drivable now. Now we can actually do some pulls. We didn't do anything crazy. Maybe got a couple pulls in, like maybe 3 or 4, and pulled into a gas station to fill up on some more E85. And we're actually calling it a night. We're actually done. And as I was pulling in, the steering wheel felt really hard and stiff. And when I, after doing some investigating, I said, oh, well, power steering pump is shot. So that's where we are. As far as what I'm going to be using and how we're going to be replacing this, let's see. I went ahead and I ordered a new, or rebuilt, I should say, pump from Drift Motion. And I have this one here because I plan to use the pulley from the pump. This is out of the Toyota Aristo. I believe it's all the same. I think the pulley size is the same. So if everything lines up, I'm just gonna use that. That's the game plan. So we'll see how this whole thing goes. Right now, I'm gonna set this camera down. I'm gonna unbolt the intercooler piping that's in the way, push it out the way, pull the power steering pulley, or power steering pump, I should say, out, and let's see what actually went bad. Let's investigate it and find out what went wrong, and I'll jump back on when I have some answers or make a little bit more progress. All right. Two. 3. All right. How long did that take? Can't wait to see the GoPro footage. Doesn't matter how long it took. It took too long. All right. Boom. All right, so after about 16 minutes, I got the pump out. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It's just 2 bolts underneath. And yeah, right now I am in the process of swapping parts from the old pump to the new pump. And I don't know why I didn't think of it. There's an O-ring when you're swapping this piece. I don't know what this piece is called off the top of my head right now, but this piece, there's an O-ring right there on the bottom, and of course there would be an O-ring, so I got to get that. Hopefully it's a generic part I can get at the local auto parts store. Hopefully they have something, but we'll see. If not, I'll order it from Toyota, and it'll just take that much longer for this car to start running. I also have to unbolt this piece out right there. Have to take that piece off, and then I have to pull the pulley off. So the pulley, it's not cooperating, so I am in the process of fixing a contraction of some sort, you know, modifying something. I don't know. I'm brainstorming an idea in my head and I'm trying to make it come to life. So let's see how I get this pulley off. I think I have just a generic puller that'll, you you know, I'm gonna modify something and tweak it, and let's see if it'll come out. So let's go ahead and do that. Done. All right, so it's the next day. I got the pump assembled. Let me show you what it looks like. Let's go down here. So I got the pump ready to go. I had to pick up a crush washer and an O-ring. So yeah, and only thing left to do is install this, torque the pulley down, and then bleed the system. So I got plenty of power steering fluid, or automatic transmission fluid, I should say. And yeah, so I'm gonna quickly install this and bleed the system, and hopefully there'll be enough lighting out where I can get a much needed joyride out of this thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so, wow, it's torqued already. Man, when the thing kicks in, man, you gotta like hold on. I'm not used to it yet. All right, so I made it back in one piece, which is good. The car feels solid, it feels fine. So fingers crossed, there's no more issues that happen for a while. And yeah, I just wanna get this thing, just wanna take this thing places. It's long overdue. A lot of plans and a lot of pulls that are gonna be coming up in the future. As a matter of fact, I kinda had a little pull tonight. It was kind of fun. You know, this Dodge Charger came out of nowhere. And with the Chargers, you never know what kind of Charger you know it is. At least they all look the same from the rear view at nighttime, you know. But the guy gave me a head nod and a thumbs up. I was like, yo, your thing is fast. And I didn't even really like get on it. I just gave a little, you know, did a little pull and that was it. But anyways, man, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up, like the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until next time, peace.